Queues of patient diners who can't wait to eat alone. This Manhattan branch of Ichiran Ramen is proving popular among locals. It's where you can enjoy a quality bowl of Japanese noodle soup without interruptions nor interactions, not even with waitstaff.
It's actually novel even in Japan. The idea was that when they created this restaurant that they wanted to create booths where people could concentrate on the flavor of the ramen without too many distractions around them. And I feel that directly contradicts the normal American way of dining because we often dine with each other and not so much concentrated on the food. But here it's the exact opposite, and it's actually caught on really well.
Back in Japan, it's a familiar affair. Turn up at one of the chain's 70-plus restaurants, order a customised bowl or two of tonkotsu ramen, pork broth and noodles with salted egg via a machine, scribble your preferences on a sheet of paper, and you'll be left in peace to enjoy it. Just 2 outlets operate in New York City. A third is planned for Times Square, which will feature more than 100 private booths.
I would for sure come here by myself, just put some headphones in, listen to a podcast, enjoy my ramen.
Japanese are increasingly favouring solo activities, not just eating out, but doing karaoke or going to the cinema with partitions. There's even a name for the growing trend, ohitori-sama, or on your own. It makes sense given that more than a third of households there contain just one person. But Americans, especially in the Big Apple, are catching on, and it doesn't surprise observers at all.
Well, a lot of people just want to get away, especially when you're in a big city and you're surrounded by crowds all the time. It can be very tiring, especially if you're already introverted. So this is a great paradise for introversion.
A bowl of ramen here starts at $26, with tipping not allowed, a price many, it seems, are willing to pay for that bit of peace and quiet with just you and your noodles. Yvonne Yong, ABC News.